The PlayStation 5 is an incredible piece of gaming technology, and it's capable of doing more than just playing games. With its advanced online capabilities, the PC can be used to browse the internet just like any other device. If you're wondering how to browse the internet on your PS5, don't worry. Dani 1.0, a place for the world's brilliant ideas. Let's make it happen. The first step is to make sure your console is connected to the internet. You can do this by plugging an Ethernet cable directly into your console or by using a wireless connection. Once your PC is connected to the internet, it's time to get browsing. The easiest way to browse the internet on your PC is to use the integrated web browser. To access this, simply press the Options button on your controller and select the Internet Browser option. You'll then be taken to a simplified version of the web where you can search for web pages, watch videos, and check out your favorite websites. You can also access the full version of the internet using the P5's Internet on TV feature. To do this, press the Options button on your controller and select the Internet on TV option. You'll then be able to access the full version of the web, including streaming services such as Netflix and Hulu. Finally, you can also use your PC to access the internet using a third-party app. Popular apps such as Chrome and Firefox are available for download, and they'll give you access to the full version of the web. No matter which way you choose to browse the internet on your PS5, you'll be able to enjoy a rich, immersive web experience. With the help of the advanced features, you can enjoy your favorite websites, streaming services, and more. So go ahead and get browsing. That's it for now, guys. We hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to not miss on future updates.